Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Abdullah. This is demo part 2 from IBM API Connect series. If you are interested, the description of this video should have a link to the full playlist. For today's demo, I'm going to show you how to create developer portal, publish a product that allow the developers to create apps, subscribe, and test the APIs. So let's get started. The developer portal is the place that the developers will go discover and register for your APIs that are available. That means it allows you to socialize your APIs to the outside world. In addition to that, also the developer portal provides analytics, blogs, rating facilities, and so on. To create the portal, we need to go to our catalog that we have created from the previous demo, which is called dev catalog, and then catalog settings, then portal. As you can see here that are no developer portals added to this catalog, so let's create a new one. And from here, you have to select one of the portal services that were created in Cloud Manager during your initial setup. In my case, I have this service, portal service. And for the URL field, which automatically populated for you, as you can see here, then create. It will take about 10 minutes to be ready. And once it's completed, you will receive an email which contains a link that brings you to the developer portal page to rest the password for the admin user. So I'm gonna pause the video now and we'll back again once the portal is ready. This is the link I received in my email. It's a one-time use only, and it's asked me to reset the admin user password. So from sign in and then change the password now. Okay. So from here you can change the password. And now the password has been changed successfully. As you can see here, there's no product published yet. Let's back to the API manager to publish the product. From here, going to develop APIs and products. We have our APIs that we have created from the previous demo. Let's publish it, publish. And from here you can choose a new product to create a new product or choose the existing product. I'm gonna choose the new product. Let's call it albums. Yeah, albums provider. Then next. So choosing our catalog, dev catalog, and then next. And this is the visibility scheme. Make sure that the authenticated is set for both visibility and subscribability. So authenticated also here, and then published. So as you can see here, the albums provider is published. Let's see the product. It's published. Going back to our catalog to see the product, and then dev. It's now published using the default plans. And before going to the developer portal, you can change the plans of this product. So going back to the develop APIs and product, and then plans. As you can see here, this is the default plan. Let's say you want to add or edit this plan. I'm gonna edit this plan name. So let's call it golden plan, for example. And you can create many plans, as you can see here. Also provide approval to subscribe to this plan from the developer portal. Also you can change the rate limit and also add the burst limits. I'm gonna leave this as a default and then save. So okay, and then publish it again to the developer portal, then authenticated, publish. So back to the developer portal, let's reload the page. Now you can see our product is published in the portal, and we can start discovering the product and APIs. But before do that, normally you will have different users or developers which they can access the portal. And to manage the importing of application developers into this catalog, going back to the catalog settings, manage catalog, div, and then catalog settings, importing. And from here, you can edit the registries that are used to authenticate or keep the default one. For the self-service onboarding, to allow the API consumer to complete their own sign-up process to the developer portal, you can enable this option. Unless you want to send or require an invitation to import the developer to the portal, you can disable the option. And if you want to provide an approval for all the new service onboarding to the developer portal, you need to enable this option. So when any attempt by an API consumer to sign up to the developer portal result in approval request being sent to the admin user, and you can then approve or decline the request. Unless you don't want an approval for the new user, you can disable the option. For my case, I don't want anyone to register and access the developer portal without my approval. That's why I enabled. So back to the developer portal, and then let's create a new account to create a new developer. So now the account is created successfully and it's pending approval. Let's go back to the catalog to approve the request, going to the tasks. As you can see here, account approval for this email. So from here you can approve or decline the request. Let's approve it. So now my account has been activated using the link that's sent to my email. So now let's start discover and test the APIs. Let's sign in. Before start discover and test APIs, first I need to create an application. You can think of an application as a collection of products that you subscribe to. To create an application, going to the apps. As you can see here, I don't have any application, so let's create a new app. Then provide a name of this app, albums app, for example. Then save. So I'm gonna copy the secrets as I need it in the next step. It's only you can see the secret one time. Okay. And then as you can see here, no subscription found. We have not subscribed to any APIs, so let's do it now by clicking on this. And there is only one API product to subscribe to in our demo. Normally there will be many API products, so let's choose albums provider. And now that we have created our API product, we can see the plans that are available. We have only golden plan, so select it and choosing the application, the next, and done. We are subscribed to our API. So going to the apps, and then we have now a new application containing a new subscription and are ready to be invoking the APIs within the product. So going to the product albums provider and then the APIs. This is the overview page. We can download the Open API document and get the API endpoint. And also note the portal has everything you need to call your APIs, even if you want to generate clients in different languages. For example, you can choose any language from here, and you can copy and paste it in your calling application. Also, you can try the API from the Try tab, and using the secret we copy it from the previous step, send the request and get the response. So that's just a quick look. We have seen how to create plans within the product and publish the APIs to the product, create a developer portal and importing developers to the developer portal, enable them to subscribe and test the API. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I thank you for watching and I hope that you have a great day.